How to modify the metrics custom formula and apply filters. Keypup comes up with a variety of engineering metrics, reports and KPIs to help you get started. These templates are built using custom formulas that you can easily adjust to best suit your needs. We're conscious all software engineering organizations are not equal, that's why we haven't hard-coded the provided templates. In this specific example, we are going to adjust the formula used to calculate the PR lead time for changes metric. The initial calculation provides the average time, expressed in days, from creation date to merge date of all pull requests. We are going to change this calculation to evaluate the average time from the first commit date to the merge date instead. Remember, if you have any doubts or if you are not sure which fields or functions are available, you can always check this information using the Help button located at the bottom right of your screen. Let's get started. First, click on the Edit button located on the top right of the metric and select Edit Insight. Then, select Configure Table from the left navigation panel. From there, enlarge the metric's custom formula panel and replace the Created at field with the first Commit at field. That's it, you've just customized the LTC calculation. We are now going to apply a filter at an individual level. Note that you can adjust the filters based on your needs such as projects, teams, or labels for instance. Remember, if you have any doubts or if you are not sure which fields are available, you can always use the drop-down menu or check this information using the Help button located at the bottom right of your screen. Let's get started. Let's now apply a filter by clicking on the Configure Filter button, adding a rule, selecting author, and applying the filter to the author of your choice. Once done, click on Apply Filter and save your metric. Here you go, you've changed a custom formula and applied a filter. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.